Hiya, thanks for joining me again on this Tuesday evening. I wasn't waiting for that, but I could see as I started pressing record that it was obviously going to change at some point. Hello wherever you are around the world, whenever it may be when you watch this video. I don't even know when I'm going to have uploaded it. I've not even recorded it yet. This is what I'm doing now. But yeah, hi everyone. I know it won't be live when you watch it. Anyway, this is literally going out to everyone worldwide. Everyone is famous, and you will be for 15 minutes. A famous phrase. Sorry, I've gone out of focus there. I'm just going to show you what I've found through that phrase by looking at the 15th letter. So let's get straight into it. 15th letter is your O, isn't it? Your big circle. The sun. 360-degree circle. Plus your O 15th letter. Gets your yearly cycle. Yearly circle. Because it's a circle that the Earth does around the sun. That's how many days it takes. So yeah, we're all in the spotlight. Sun, spotlight. This is why 6 degrees of separation is a phrase that links to a famous person, Kevin Bacon. Purely just because it rhymes, but the point is that it could be anybody. The 6 degrees theory thing. Which means that, yeah, because we're all famous, everyone is. These are just specific people that are named as such. But everyone's in the spotlight. Because everyone's bound by time. And that's literally what the separation is. We're all bound by it because there's 60 seconds between each minute. 60 minutes between each hour. So there's your 666 already. Sun and moon. But okay, what do I really mean by the 6 degrees of that separation? Degrees is a heat reference as well, remember? As well as a measurement in like a space element. Sorry, it's measurement. An angle, isn't it? It's an angle and also a heat. 6 degrees then of the separation. Well, just look at your clock. It's all in plain sight. You just got to look at it the right way. Because there is exactly 6 degrees that separate each minute on a hand face. Because obviously 6 times 60 minutes is 360 degrees. That's really what that is about, is 6 degrees of separation. No wonder we're all connected in 6 steps. You could connect to anyone else in the world. Some people can do it even shorter, depending on how connected you are to things, magic, etc. and awareness. But yeah, it's because there's 6 degrees that separate a minute in the hand face, okay? illuminated by the sun, aren't we? That's what time is. Think of a sundial. That's how it's measured, the time, what time it is. So we're illuminated, we're illuminates. So then we're also darkened by the moon. Duality. When I was born, oh yeah, sorry, just by the way, this is why we get the moon phases. Again, it's around about, it's not quite 30 days, but it's very much an average of a moon cycle is 30 days pretty much, if you rounded it up. And that's because we do the same thing with the 6 degrees. Because remember, we only see the one side of the whole supposed moon. Again, that's a bit strange, don't you think? That it just so happens to also be in that orbit where we only see what's called the illuminated side. But the dark side of the moon, there is no dark side of the moon, it's all dark. That's a bit of a Pink Floyd reference there. Yeah, it's to do with birth, and I just want to quickly show you this backwards here because it is to do with birth, I believe. We're born through the moon's system somehow. So that's where it's all dark, remember, it's dark. But then we get illuminated by the sun, that's your birth, okay? Boom, you've got the sunlight. No wonder we start crying. My sun was in Leo when I was born. You've all got your 12 places, haven't you? When that sun starts illuminating on your birth. Each person's birth famous. You're all stars. The sun is a star, remember? People forget that. The moon, well, I don't know what that is, but it's to do with birth. It definitely is. But that also then it means it's to do with death as well. Because you can do this way for when you're born. I've just showed it you to start with. That's your life. I've just shown you your life. 15 of those minutes. Okay, that's your quarter. That's your... You got 3 quarters here. That's your pi. 3.14. Try and draw that quickly with my left hand. I've shown this before. That's why you've got 3 and then that and then quarters. That's 3.14. Look, 3.14. These are symbols. They're the shapes. It's all hidden, revealed. Yep, birth and death. There you go. 6 degrees of separation is the minute. 6-degree angle that separates it. That's why we're all famous for being in the spotlight of the big star, and it's not Kevin Bacon, y'all. Right, going on this bit then, because it's coming up to the end of September, as we know. Crazy ass month, let's face it. Specifically UK, and but specifically, well, I'm not going to go into it, but for me, in my world. Just want to show you this bit, because it's Sep, that's your 7. We know that that's from Septenary. Should really be the 7th month, etc. That's your 7 days, of course, for the yearly circle cycle. Then we had, okay, a separation, a ration. A ration is a controlled amount of time, monitored, another word for ration. Set amount, limited, small, short. You're given a ration. I've just joined the Sep and the main one there for set, because a ration is a set controlled amount of something, isn't it? Let's face it. And I just wanted to show you how that has the combination, because you've got set then, okay, going up there, Sep going across there, Sep going across there still, Sep down there. I hope I've kind of shown that properly. It just kind of crosses over, but you've got 3 S's. That's what I really wanted to kind of show with that bit. It all starts with those 3 snakes. But it's also kind of like Sep and set, September, Sep and T. Yeah, how we then add the T after September. Sorry, that's what I was also trying to get to, because the T's up there. Sorry, yeah, I forgot about the T bit. It just shows you, yeah, it's just all about well, math really, unfortunately. Sun and moon crossover, we're in that middle, because it's both of them are in our controlled us, our existence in the first place. 2 times the 6 degrees then of the separation, that's your 12 for the time, of course. 2nd of June, just wanted to point that out. 2nd of June is your 153. So again, it's that Facetious Pisces math number. Miraculous catch for the fish symbol in the middle. The matrix, the womb where we're all from. Womb sounds like moon. It's the female anyway, that's why it's the female. That's the male. Waters break. Boom. And there's like a lot of heat and warmth with the baby, you. Welcome to the world. Yeah, 2nd of June, that 2-6 is important because that's 153. Also 2-6 then for February as 2, and then the 6th. That's your excuse me, 37th day. Just add 6 to 31. Also important to note because that's your 12th prime. So these aren't stretches for maths, it's basic math revealed in the calendar. 2 circles, 153, it's your sun and moon crossing, and you're bound by it in the middle. And 26 is because it's that master of time duality. 13. Cheers.